At Dielectric, we understand the whole point of our TV antennas is to enable lots of people to watch your programs. Drones are great for measuring your antenna's performance, but far-field drone measurements require an FAA waiver, and that could take months. Until now. Dielectric's revolutionary drone measurement software enables drone operators to characterize antenna azimuth and elevation accurately from near-field flights within the antenna's 400-foot shield without requiring any FAA approvals or waivers. Our 3D simulation software calculates the far-field and near-field measurements and compares them to factory and drone measurements for the antenna, most of which we have produced, to confirm that your antenna is installed perfectly and performing as promised, reaching every single home your license allows. To put this revolutionary new technology to work for your stations, call your Dielectric representative today. Near-field drone measurement, just one more better broadcasting innovation from Dielectric.